Cancer. The song that's playing for you is sold out dates, but it's coming to an end. So it's like you may be getting out of a busy state, a busy point in your life, or just I want to say friction, a point in friction in your life. I don't know whether you was in some sort of conflict internally or externally, or you just felt like you was going through a lot. Now you may be in a state of opening up. Song that's playing for you is wet. Ain't shit. See, look, you may wet water emotion. You may be getting into a state where you can open up regarding your emotions, or just regarding the things you are passionate towards. You may have been defensive once upon a time towards a person, place, or thing, but you don't want to be defensive anymore. See, look, first card out, Two of Wands in reverse, Hangman. You probably withdrew. I'm saying you made an investment. You thought something would bring you the world, and you were passionate about it. So you began doing that, but then quickly realized shit wasn't really it for you. So now you may be withdrawing from a passion, separating yourself from something that lit your fire because you thought it was good for you. Wow, look at the shit that came out. Are you fucking serious? Hey, yo, look, because you're killing something, whatever you're pulling back from, if this is another perspective of the one, it's putting you on the path to your 10 of Pentacles. Well, it's putting you on the path towards something that is actually long-term for you, because you took a step back from something you were passionate about, whether that was a way you were acting, a way you were expressing yourself, a person, a place, a job, an idea, whatever it is, mentally or externally. You're pulling back from something. See, look, you're pulling back from an immature mentality, or immature job, or immature relationship. You're pulling back from that. You don't want to invest in that anymore. And that's putting you in a position to obtain your 10 of Pentacles. See, look, it's like you may not be taking emotional action right now, or you're just not accepting emotional action right now. Or it's like you're shifting focus. See, look, you're shifting focus. It's like you're no longer participating maybe in a certain collective of type of feelings. You feel me? Whether it's like you're just no longer thinking a certain way. Like, let's say you and your coworkers would associate about a particular topic, and you were passionate about that shit. You feel me? You've been working at the job for a while, and you made these friends. You made this social group here, but then it's like you're separated from that. You don't want to participate in whatever they're passionate about anymore, whatever they share emotions about anymore. And because of that, it's putting you in a space to grow in the company, because they were holding you back. You feel me? And it's like you're no longer accepting emotional ideas from whatever this thing is for you. Good on you. I'ma fuck with you.